Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start the next topic, that is the solar system. So, before explanation of this topic, once I want to read this. Yes, this topic, once I'll read, then I'll start the explanation. I request everyone to open your EVS course books, page number 3, the solar system, and look into your books. You have to follow where I am reading. The solar system. The sun, together with 8 planets and their satellites, form the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. Unlike stars, planets do not twinkle and instead shine with a steady light. They do not have any light of their own. We see them because they reflect light from the sun. All the planets revolve around the sun along a fixed oval path. This path is called an orbit. The sun pulls all the planets, their satellites, and asteroids with a very strong force called gravity. This force keeps the planets moving in their orbits. The movement of the planets around the sun is called revolution. As Earth rotates, the other planets also rotates or spins like tops. Orbits of the planets around the sun. In order of increasing distance of the planets from the sun, the planets are divided into Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You can remember this order of planets in the following way. My very efficient mother just served us noodles. Each first letter will give you the planet's name. My very efficient mother just served us noodles. My very efficient mother just served us noodles. Next page. Among them, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are known as inner planets. On the other hand, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer planets. Difference between inner and outer planets. Inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the 4 inner planets. They are made of rocks, hence they are called terrestrial planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 4 outer planets. They are made of gases. They have no solid surface. They are known as gas giants. More about planets. Name of the planet, order according to distance from the sun, number of moons, or you may call as satellites, and interesting facts. First one, Mercury is the first one in the solar system. Mercury don't have any satellites. It is the closest and smallest planet. It is boiling hot by day and freezing cool at night. Second planet, Venus, and don't have any satellites, zero. It is the brightest and hottest planet. It is also known as morning star and evening star as it is visible from the earth at dawn and dusk. Third planet, Earth, has one satellite. It is the only planet that supports life as 71% of the surface is covered with water. It is also known as blue planet. Turn the page. Page 5. Next one, fourth planet is the Mars, and it has 2 satellites. It is covered with red dust and appear red in the night sky. Hence, it is called the red planet. Fifth one, Jupiter, has 79 satellites, is the largest planet in the solar system. Next planet, sixth one, is the Saturn, has 82 satellites, is the second largest planet. Its rings are made of ice, rocks, and dust. Next, seventh planet is the Uranus, has 27 satellites. It was the first planet that was discovering using a telescope. Neptune is the eighth and last planet has 14 satellites, is the farthest planet of the solar system. It has cold winds that blow at a speed greater than a flying plane. Earlier, there were 9 planets in the solar system. Pluto was the ninth planet. However, Pluto is no longer considered a planet. It was called a dwarf planet in 2006 by International Astronomical Union IAU. Next, satellites. A small heavenly body that moves around a planet in an orbit is called a satellite. Almost every planet has a satellite that revolves around it. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Next page. Page number 6. Moon. Earth's natural satellite. The moon is cold and dry and covered with mountains and craters. Craters means large bowl shaped holes in the ground caused by an explosion. It is made up of rocks and has no air and water on it. Hence, there is no life on moon. Though the moon is the brightest object in the night sky, it does not have any light of its own. The moonlight that we see is actually the reflection of the sun that falls on its surface. It seems to change its shape depending on how much of it is lit up by the sun. It takes the same time, that is about 27 days, to rotate on its own axis as well as revolve around the earth. Asteroids. Asteroids are found in our solar system between the orbits of the planets Mars and Jupiter. This region is called the asteroid belt. Ceres is the largest asteroid. So this solar system, now I will explain you detailing. Just I have read you once because you can know the pronunciation and any words like hard words, you can know it. Now you have to underline all the hard words or keywords which you feel. Underline them. This is your work for today. You have to underline the hard words or keywords which you like hard. Yes, underline them and know the meaning of that underlined word in your dictionary and write there only. For example, in your book itself, suppose if you are underlining here gravity, for example, if you are underlining here gravity, now you know the meaning of this gravity from the dictionary. Like this, you have to find out any 10 words. This is your homework for today. You have to find out any 10 hard words, new words, keywords, whatever you call it. You only should find, underline them. You should only read and find. Don't take the help of anyone. Read, find them, underline them, know the meaning from the dictionary and write then and there itself. For example, gravity. Gravity meaning is attraction, pulling towards it, like that. So, like that, you can write here itself attraction or pulling. Yes. So, like this, you have to find any 10. Now, coming to our topic, the solar system. The solar system. The sun, together with the 8 planets and their satellites, form the solar system. We know that our universe, yes, our universe, we are we belongs to Milky Way galaxy. So in this Milky Way galaxy, solar system is present. In the solar system, the sun with all the planets and their satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, constellations, everything together, it is called as a solar system. Solar means sun, something with the sun, related to sun. That's why it is called as solar system. Why system? Because they are doing their job in a systematical order. Solar system. Sun is in the middle, all the planets are revolving around the sun, and it is in a like systematical order. That's the reason it is called as solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. Sun is the center and all the planets revolve around the sun. Before we thought that sun will revolve, but planet will stay there itself. But Nicholas Copernicus, he proved that sun is not moving anywhere. It is fixed at a place and all the planets are revolving around the sun. So then the sun is at the center and all the planets revolve around the sun. And this is called solar system. Unlike stars, planets do not twinkle and shine with a steady light. See, stars can twinkle or stars can shine or stars can give light, but planets don't shine. They don't have their light. Yes, their own light they don't have. We see them because they reflect the light of the sun from the sun. See, the light of the sun is falling on the planets. That's why we can see the planets. See how much big the sun is. Sun can give light to all the planets including earth. That's the reason we are receiving the light from the sun, and that light is used for many purposes on the earth. You can't expect your life without sun for one day. Sun is very very important thing. See, plants cannot prepare food without sun. If plants cannot prepare food, we don't have food, there is no life on the earth. So it is most important thing. So this reflection of the sun falls on the other planets, then only we are seeing them. Actually, planets don't have light on their own. Even earth also don't have. The sun rays is falling on the earth, that's why we are able to see. Unlike stars, plants do not twinkle. They don't have light on their own. Yes, on their own. We see them because they reflect the sun, light from the sun. All the planets revolve round the sun along a fixed oval path. This path is called orbit. All the planets, see, sun is in the middle and all the planets are revolving round the sun in a fixed oval path. Fixed means one planet will not go into the other planet path. Oh, today Earth is rotating in the third orbit. Tomorrow Earth will say, no, no, I don't want to rotate in my path. Me, Venus, I will come to your path. No, it's not like that. Each and every planet, they have their own path. They have to circle or rotate on their own path. They should not disturb or they will not go to the other path. Why they will not go? Because of the gravity. Because of the gravity of the sun. The sun is responsible. Sun looks that every planet should revolve in its own orbit. That is the duty of the sun. And this oval path is called orbit. Okay, ma? This is called orbit. Now, the sun pulls all the planets, their satellites, and asteroids with a very strong force called gravity. Just now I told no. Due to this gravity, all the planets are revolving around the sun in a fixed orbit. Not only planets, the satellites. Yes, planets also have some satellites, no? So that satellites also revolving around the planets in a fixed orbit without moving, without getting disturbed, without going into the other part. This is because of the gravity of the sun. This force keeps the planets moving in the orbits. This force, this gravity, what force? Gravity force will keep the planets moving in their orbits. Means the sun's gravity help all the planets to move in their particular orbit. Don't get confused. Next, the movement of the planets around the sun is called revolution. You know, the planets, they revolve around themselves. Sorry, yeah, they rotate around themselves and they also revolve around the sun. So the movement on their own axis is called rotation, and moving along around the sun is called revolution. So last year I have explained you. Did you remember? I made one student to stand in the middle and the other students to move around themselves, and they move their own. Did you remember that? So same like that. Sun will be in the middle. Earth, all the planets will be moving around the sun in a fixed orbit. So moving around them or along their own orbit is called rotation, and moving around the sun is called revolution. As Earth rotates, the other planets also rotates or spins like a top. You know top? Top. So top, if you keep on the ground, how it will rotate? Slightly it will tilt and rotate. So same like that. So the planets rotate themselves and again revolute, means revolve, take round around the sun. Now coming to the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of increasing distance from the planets to the sun, they are divided into Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. You can remember them in this order. My very efficient mother just served as noodles. My Mercury, very Venus, efficient Earth, mother Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, Uranus, noodles Neptune. This you can remember. My very efficient mother just served as noodles. Now, the planets of a solar system can be divided into 2 groups like inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are called inner planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called outer planets. Inner planets are also called as terrestrial planets. Outer planets are called gas giants because completely they are with gas only. See, what is the difference between the inner planets and outer planets? Okay, now let us see. Inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the 4 inner planets. And outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 4 outer planets. Inner planets are made of rock, soil, everything. Outer planets have gases. There is no solid surface. Inner planets are also called as terrestrial planets. Outer planets are called as gas giants. Remember this, very, very important and simple. Simple, very simple. Inner planets 4, outer planets 4. Inner planets are made of rock and soil. Outer planets are made of gases. Inner planets are called terrestrial. Terrestrial means land. Outer planets are called gas giants because completely only gas is present. That's the reason. Now, one by one, we will see. Now, first, we'll see about inner planets. First one, Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. It is the smallest planet. Mercury is very hot during the daytime and very cold at night. Mercury does not have much air. There are no satellites for Mercury. Yes, Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. See this. It is closest to the sun. It is the smallest planet. It is very hot during daytime and very cold during nighttime. And it does not have any satellite. Next, Venus. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet. It is also called as morning star and evening star as it is visible at the time of dawn and dusk. Dawn means sunset, dusk means sunrise. Venus does not have any satellites. This is Venus. Okay, ma? This is Venus. Now, next, Earth. Very, very important planet. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet that supports life on Earth. Okay, it has the only planet which have life on it. Why? Because 71% of the planet is covered with water, and all the things or all the needs, what you call like atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, all the 4 spheres are present on the earth. That's the reason life is possible on the earth. And earth is earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Earth with moon, you can see here. Next, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is red in color due to the red dust present on it. Mars is a cold and dry planet. Phobos and Deimos. Okay, Phobos and Deimos are the 2 satellites of Mars. So Mars is having 2 satellites. The names of the 2 satellites are Phobos and Deimos. This is Mars. Yes, children? So now till now, we have seen the inner planets. Now we'll go for the outer planets. Outer planets. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is the fifth planet from the sun and is also called gas giant. Jupiter has 79 satellites. It is the biggest planet, okay, in the solar system, and it is uh, this planet has 79 satellites. This is the Jupiter. If you fix hundreds of Earth, then Jupiter will fill. That much big it is. Next, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system. Saturn's rings are the most visible. It has a wonderful set of large gleaming rings. The rings are made of ice and dust particles. Saturn has 82 satellites. So Saturn is a beautiful planet because rings are present. So these rings are we can see also. And these rings are made up of gas, and it will be glimming. Glimming means shining. Why it will shine? Due to the sunshine. The sunshine falls on the Saturn also, and it can shine. Okay, Saturn has 82 satellites. This is the ring present around the Saturn, and that ring is made up of ice and dust particles. Next, Uranus. It is the third largest planet of the solar system. And you know, this is the planet which was discovered by telescope. Actually, telescope. They used a telescope and they discovered that this planet is there. And this is the only planet that orbits on its own sides. Uranus has 27 satellites. Okay, is the only planet that orbits the sun on its own sides. Next, Neptune. Sorry, Uranus. This is the Uranus. Next, Neptune is the outermost planet of the solar system. It appears blue in color. The speed with which the wind blows at the speed greater than that of a flying plane. So in the Neptune, okay, in this what you call in this planet, the wind blows with a very high speed. How much speed? For example, if a plane is traveling, you can see a plane, no? Yes, it travels very fastly. So that much fast the winds blow in this planet. It has more than 14 satellites, and it is called as a blue planet and icy planet. Why icy planet? Because it is far away from the sun. Far away. Okay. And these are the different types of planets and satellites. Okay, till now we were seeing about the satellites. This planet has this many satellites. Moon is the satellite of Earth, and Jupiter has 79 satellites. Like this, we are going on telling. Now, actually, what is a satellite? Satellites are the heavenly bodies that move around a planet in the solar system. Yes, Ashish, 1 second, ma. I'll complete this and I'll come to you. Okay. Yeah. Satellites are the heavenly bodies that move around a planet in the solar system. They move around a planet. Planets move around the sun. Satellites move around the planet. I'll show you how. Almost every planet have a satellite. Moon is the satellite of the Earth. Like, see here. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Moon, Earth satellite. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is cold and dry and covered with mountains and craters. It is made up of rocks and has no air and water on it. Hence, there is no life on Moon. Yes, ma, Moon. You know Moon. So it is the only natural satellite of Earth. It does not have life on it because there is no water and it is very cold and mountains are present on the Moon. It is the brightest object which you can see in the night time. Actually, moon does not have light of its own. The sun rays falls on the moon, so that's the reason we are able to see the moon. The moonlight that we see is actually the reflection of the sun. It seems to change its shape depending upon how much it travels. See, like this. Sun is in the between. You can see here, ma. Sun is in the middle. Earth revolves around the sun. Moon revolves around the earth. This is the process. So everyone in the universe, means every planet, every satellite, stars, asteroids, everything, they have their own duty. They have their own orbit. Sun will be in the center, Earth will revolve in their own orbit, and Moon revolves round the Earth in its own orbit. And it takes 27 days to complete one complete rotation and revolution also. Revolution means Moon also, it turns around itself like this, and again it turns around the Earth also. Same, same like Earth. Earth, how it turns around its own and it revolves around the sun. Same thing, moon also, it turns around itself like this and it turns around the earth also. Okay, right? And the last one is the asteroids. Asteroids are found in the solar system between the Mars and Jupiter. Yes, like this. You can see here, they are found between the Mars. You know, no, Mars is the fourth planet and Jupiter is the fifth planet. So in these two, in between these two planets, you can see the asteroids. And this is called as a, the area or the region is called as a asteroid belt. And Cirrus is the largest asteroid belt present in the universe. This is about the solar system, the planets, yes, the satellites, and everything. Yes, children, fine, everyone?